Just imagine a world where you can sell your beats online for just $1.67 a month. Well, what would you do if I said that world already exists? Welcome to Beatz, a global subscription-based music licensing platform that makes it all possible. Today we're going to be checking out the Beatz starter plan, which is the most affordable way to sell your beats online. Well, let me just say, the cheapest way to sell your beats online. I've been with Beatz for more than 10 years and I've sold over 1,000 beats on Beatz, so I can back up what I'm about to say. Beatz was founded in 2008 by Beatz, a visionary who wanted to empower music producers and artists. Growing up in the East Bay area, Beatz was passionate about hip-hop but struggled to afford beats, which is what most upcoming artists are going through. So this led him to propose a new model, a listing of non-exclusive beats at lower prices. So this revolutionary idea became the foundation of Beatz. Beatz is more than just a marketplace though. It's a platform where recording artists and music producers can collaborate, license, distribute their work, and also publish. So for just $1.67 a month, which is billed annually at $19.99 per year, which is way more convenient because you pay it once a year. If you pay it in February 2024, next time we'll pay February 2025, which is unbelievable because you can sell your beats with peace and you can easily make profit. So this starter plan offers the following. You can upload unlimited tracks, you can sell sound kits and services, you get instant payments, it accepts credit card and PayPal payments, Beatz gets 0% marketplace seller commission, you get premium analytics and sales statistics, 50 seeds by Lemonade monthly credits. I made a video about that, the link is up there. You get 4 license agreements and Beatz publishing services. So yeah, that's it. For just $1.67 a month, Beatz starter plan offers incredible value, from unlimited uploads to instant payments with zero commission. It's designed to help you succeed without breaking the bank. Like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Drop a comment if you have any questions about this video. Keep making those fire beats. I'll see you next time.